Hey guys, it's Sparkle Spice, and today I have some PJ Masks bath paint as well as our PJ Masks Paddling Heroes, along with Sky of course. We've got so much fun happening today and we'll have a nice bath party with everybody. Let's get started. But first, watch out, Romeo's spraying you. Oh, you're getting so messy. Now you really need a bath. So bad. All right, let's get Owlette in the water. She's got to get all cleaned up. Whoa, she did a flip in there. Okay, Gecko, it's your turn. Slide on in. Whoa, that was a bit of a crash. Your turn, Catboy. Get into that bathtub. Woo! Way to go, everybody in. All right, Sky, you're the last one in. Find some space. Woo! So nice in here. I think our Paddling PJ Masks heroes and Sky need more water in their bathtub. Here's some warm water for you. Bet that feels good. All right, Catboy, you need a little bath soap to get you cleaned up. Here you go. Oh, what a mess. Now we've got some Owlette bath paint for Owlette. All right, here you go. Are you ready for it, Owlette? Oh, don't worry, it'll help you get all cleaned up. Now it's Gecko's turn with his bath paint. Come here, Gecko. Get out of that water. Let me get some bath paint on you. You gotta get all cleaned up. Oh yeah, that looks good. Here's Sky's bath paint. Let's get her ready. Here you go, Sky. Ooh, look at that pink bath paint. I know what'll help get Catboy cleaned up. How about a little squirt from Chase? Here you go. Whoa, Chase. There you go, Chase. That's really helpful. Clean his eyes out and get in those ears. Way to go. That's looking better. Okay, Owlette. Who's coming to help you get cleaned up? It's Marshall. Wow, you really need your face cleaned off. Let's see if Marshall can help. There we go. Now we're seeing your eyes. So much better. You can see now. Thanks for your help, Marshall. I'm here to clean up Gecko. All right, Rocky, I'll get Gecko for you. Here he is. Help him get cleaned off. You gotta get those spikes for him. He needs those cleaned up. And clear off his mask. So helpful. Thanks, Rocky. You're a great squirter. Don't worry, we haven't forgotten about you, Sky. Rubble's here to help you out. There, wow, he's really good at cleaning off your aviator goggles. Here you go, how about a little more? You're almost all cleaned up. You look great. All right, I'm gonna use my handy dandy Chase washcloth to help everybody get all cleaned up. So I'll just dump it in our water so it gets a little wet. And I'll start with Sky here. And I'll just gently rub her off. Oh, there you go, Sky. You're making a little bit of bubbles there. But you're looking so much cleaner now. There you go. Go ahead into the water and rinse off. All right, Gecko, you're up next. Let's get you all cleaned up. We'll just gently wipe you off and get that silly string out of there. So good. Time to get rinsed off. Okay, Owlette, are you ready to get cleaned up? You still have a lot of bath paint on your face. Let's wipe off your mouth. There we go. That's starting to look better. All right, time to rinse. And finally, Catboy. We can't forget him. Let's get cleaned up, Catboy. Wow, bath time is lots of fun. Well, it's not a party without some Orbeez in a pool, and we've got our PJ Masks cup full of Orbeez. Here they come down the slide. Oh my goodness, they're bouncing everywhere. Watch out. Oh, I'm gonna pour them all over your head. Hey, there's some new friends in our bathtub. on some Mash'ems into the bathtub. Whoa! Let's take a look at these surprise Mash'ems. Oh, we've got a Littlest Pet Shop. I wonder who it'll be. Let's see. Look at this. It's Sunil. Oh, let's see her mash. Can we make her eye really big? Whoa, and stretch. So much fun. All right, time to hop on into the pool. And our next one is an Avengers surprise. Let's see which surprise hero it will be. I'm hoping for Hulk. Who is it? Oh, it's Captain America. Super cool. Look at the big A on top of his helmet. Oh, and he really mashes and stretches. All right, Captain America, hop on in. All right, what's up next? How about this Frozen fashion? Ooh, let's see who our character will be. All right, let's take a closer look. Who's gonna get all wet in the bathtub? It's Olaf! Wow! Whoa, he's super slippery, but super mashable. All right, Olaf, how about you take a slide trip? Woo! Lots of fun. All right, last one is Paw Patrol. I wonder which character we'll find in here. All right, let's get it opened up and see who it's gonna be. It's Skye!
Yeah!
Our Skye Mash'em is joining the party. Woohoo! Let's take a trip down the slide with everybody else. Woo! All right, how about some Paw Patrol bubble bath, guys? Here it comes. Ooh, it's red and kind of slimy looking. Let's see if we can get it to bubble. All right, let's make some bubbles. Hey, you guys want to blow some bubbles? Let's see if you can help. Oh, Ryder's trying to make bubbles. How about Everest? Everest, can you make bubbles in there? Wow, I think we're making a little bit of bubbles. I know who can help. It's our Olaf bubble machine. Are you guys ready for some bubbles? Here it goes. Whoa, look at all these bubbles everywhere.
Yay! Woohoo!
Olaf can't stop making bubbles. Where did you guys go? Whoa, bubbles! Well guys, that's it for our bath time fun today. Let me know which one of these bath time paddling heroes was your favorite. Was it Owlette? Or was it Catboy? Or maybe it was Gecko. Let me know in the comment section what your favorite was. And until next time, bye! Thanks for watching this episode of the Sparkle Spice channel. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you're new. Also, make sure to come back for more fun videos. Thanks for commenting, and I'll see you in the next one.